Excuse me, what do you think you're doing? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, so you're just gonna buy them without asking?
Oh hell no!
What we're gonna do first is boil some Chile Californias. You have to rinse the hominy because they be dirty sometimes. And you have to rinse the chicken as well, the pork. And after that, you're gonna end up dumping it in here and cooking it for about. And the hominy we use is white hominy. Mine is blanco for people who watching in Spanish. And then you dump one onion, half an onion in there, and you add some consome. So those Mexican people, you know, guys. And you have to cook it, the pork and the hominy together, so it could get flavor. And you put 3 little tablets of those. Cool. You gotta picar some cabbage.
Cabbage. Repollo.
Ooh.
Give me.
So right now you're gonna have to take out all the grease. You want to do it before you put the salsa roja because you don't want to take out the redness of the chile. So we're dumping it on one of the hominy cans.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
And then now we're gonna end up chopping up a few radish into little pieces for the posole. Okay. We need oregano, garlic, and well, your boiled chiles. Make sure you have a drainer ready, so after you will be able to drain the excess. So you're doing garlic. I was gonna add a little bit of oregano. And that's what it is. Water into the blender with the extra that's on the side. So that's how you guys make pozole. And if you want, you could put lemon, avocado, cabbage, radish, onion, and some chile. And that's the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.